Hey guys, this is Mama Made. So I did go into Weis. I wasn't going to do a haul video because I didn't really see anything that exciting, but I do have some exciting deals to share with you. So today's November 13th. Some of these deals are valid until Thanksgiving, and some of them I think are valid until December 4th or something like that. So just make sure you're checking if you're watching this video a little bit later that these prices are still valid. Okay, so the Turkey Hill ice cream, it is on sale, 2 for $5. I did contact Turkey Hill. They sent me a bunch of coupons. The one was on the trio and the other one was regular. I had two 50-cent coupons. They both doubled, so it made it $3 or $1.50 a piece. Good deal on ice cream. Turkey Hill tea, my husband will be excited about this. They are 2 for $4. I had $1 off of one and 50-cent off of one. Request by mail coupons, they did double, making them $2 or $1 a piece for Turkey Hill. That is a really great price. He loves Turkey Hill tea. And the sugar, I know guys, you're probably like, how are you still buying sugar? But I stock up this time of year because sugar goes back up to like $1.60, $1.70, and it really does add up in savings. So $1.17 when you buy two. $1.17 a piece, great deal. I hit the jackpot. I got there just in time. The lady was going down through the meat department. She had just put on the red stickers. Some of them had $3, some had $2, and I don't think there's any $1 ones. I didn't see any. But anyway, guys, so this is regularly $9.89. It was on sale this week for 99 cents a pound, so it's $3.93. This had a $2 sticker on it. So I paid $1.93 for almost 4 pounds of meat. This is bone in, so it's not, straight up 4 pounds of meat. And I'll be cutting this huge piece of fat off. But, you can't beat that price. It might end up being our New Year's Day pork and sauerkraut meal if we don't go anywhere. So this baby's getting wrapped up and put in the freezer. If not, I'll turn it into pork barbecue in the crock pot. And it's going to be amazing. But always check your meat departments for peely, like those freshness peelies is what I call them, but they're just like discounts because you need to put these things in the freezer. But anyway, great savings if you can find items like that. You can even ask your meat department, hey, when do you mark down stuff? Plan your trip around that. Okay, so they had this was a in-store, like, oh, I'm gonna grab this. I didn't even have this on my list, but I happened to look in the meat department and found these. They are buy one, get one free. At Weis, when they say buy one, get one free, it's really just 50% off. You can just grab one of them at $2.99, so that's what I went ahead and did. I bought a Hasback 50 cents. That is a limit of one. I actually had two in my cart, and then I was like, oh, wait, I can only grab one. So I went ahead and stuck the other one back because of the limit. So it was a cost of $2.49. Not the cheapest. I kind of like to pay around like $2, but I want to just grab this and have this in the freezer. You can make so many different things with that. So I definitely was a little low on sausage. I think I only have like half a pound left in my freezer, so I just grabbed that at that price. You guys, this is what made me really want to go to Weis this week. I cannot believe this. So they are on sale for $2 when you buy two. It's the same deal as the Kraft, so you can buy two or more is what it says. So grab as many as you want. However, Ibotta is giving back $1.50 on each one, making them 50 cents a piece on block cheese. That is a crazy good deal. I hope that my Ibotta gets credited within the next day or so and it resets because I'm hitting Weis up again for this cheese. 50 cents a piece on cheese is crazy outrageously good. So if you like cheese, I know I'm getting a little too excited about cheese, but that's something my family eats all the time. So anytime I can get a cheese deal, I am stocking up. So definitely grab some of that. And then the Kraft cheese, it's the same price. It's the same deal. $2 when you buy two or more. Ibotta has 50 cents back. I just wanted to grab this type because the cheddar and the Mexican, I can get that at Walmart, or not Walmart, Aldi. But these special like Italian blend cheeses, I really like those. So only $1.50 a piece, so not bad. It's actually pretty good if you're not an Aldi shopper and don't prefer Aldi cheese. But anyway, guys, wanted to share some of these Weis deals with you. I hope you're able to pick up on some of this stuff. I don't think I'm going to Weis next week. Well, actually, yeah, I will have to go to Weis because unless I do a second trip to get more cheese. I hit my 400 points, so I can redeem for a free turkey or lasagna. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to grab. But anyway, yeah, really great deals. Definitely hit them up. Do your surveys at the end of your receipt for 100 bonus points. Only one per 7 days, I guess. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video.